Ever wish you could just vacuum your whole room in one sweep? I show you how to make that a reality. You'll never have to dust again after you've done this. Instead of dusting all the knickknacks and trinkets, why not use a giant vacuum cleaner and suck all the dust out of the room at once? Isn't that a great idea? Oh, I'm gonna try it. Just don't forget to close the door. Let's see what this baby can do. That didn't sound good. Whoa. Whoa. You might still need a few tweaks here and there, but not bad. There. Problem solved. If it moves, just glue it down.